What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Kia K5 remote key fob. This Kia K5 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down here near the key ring, on the one side, you can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, put it in that notch like that, and just pry up on this cover. Once we get that cover off, we can see our battery right here, and that battery will just slide out of that battery holder like that. Get our old battery out, and then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up, and that battery will just slide into its holder like that. And then we can snap the back cover on, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.